Today's dish is very simple and needs very few ingredients. I call it the sunny salmon. We are going to use 300 grams of salmon steak, lemon, black pepper, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, ginger, olive oil and coriander for garnishing. Let's marinate the fish. First, I'm going to give a few light cuts so that the marination goes inside. Grated ginger garlic paste. Then we're going to add some black pepper. And 1 spoon of olive oil. And we're also going to squeeze some lemon. Add salt as per your taste. If you want it to be more hot, you can always add more black pepper. I've put a small quantity of olive oil and in which we are going to sizzle the salmon. Make sure you keep the skin side down. Smells so good. Can't wait to eat it. Now that it is cooked, we're going to garnish it with coriander. And the sunny salmon is ready. To see more recipes like this and my other videos, please like, share and subscribe to Sunny Bites.